In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to your Wix website. If you want to customize a page, highlight important information, or simply make your website feel more complete, adding text in Wix is a quick and flexible process. Wix gives you several text styles to choose from, along with useful editing tools that let you match the text to the overall look of your site. To get started, open the relevant page inside your Wix editor. Make sure you are on the exact page where you want the text to appear, since this helps you place and style everything in the right context. Next, go to the top left side of your screen and click the Add Elements button shown with a plus icon. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks for your page, including images, buttons, shapes, and of course, text from the Add Elements menu. Select Text. You'll then see different text presets you can use, such as theme text, titles, and paragraphs. These presets are helpful because they give you a starting point based on the type of content you want to add. For example, a title works well for headings, while a paragraph preset is better for longer blocks of information. Take a moment to browse through the available styles. Then either click the one you prefer or drag and drop it directly onto the canvas. Once it appears on your page, you can move it into position as needed. Now double-click the new text box to highlight the placeholder text. From there, type or paste in your own content. This is the point where your message starts to take shape, so make sure the wording fits the purpose of that section of the page. After entering your text, click the Edit Text button on the floating toolbar. This opens the Text Settings panel where you can fully customize the appearance of your text. Here, you can choose a font from the drop-down menu and adjust the size to improve readability and visual balance. You can also apply formatting like bold, italics, or underline to emphasize certain words or phrases. If you want the text to better match your website branding, use the color settings to select from the site palette or create a custom color. You can also explore effects and spacing options such as adding shadow or depth, or adjusting line spacing and character spacing for a cleaner layout. If needed, you can even add links. Simply highlight specific words, click the link icon, and connect that text to a web address, another page on your site, or an email link. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.